Cutting the cane into sections prepares it for efficient juice extraction. Powerful rollers extract the juice from the sugarcane fibers. Centrifugal force separates solid sugar from remaining liquid. Sugarcane is grown in controlled farms using advanced agricultural techniques to ensure high yield and quality.
We monitor crop health using smart technology to detect diseases and ensure proper growth.
Efficient irrigation systems supply the right amount of water for optimal growth.
Mature sugarcane is identified by its size, color, and sugar content.
We cut sugarcane at the base to preserve its length and maintain high sugar content.
Removing leaves helps prepare the cane for clean processing.
We align the sugarcane to ensure uniform handling and inspection. Controlled movement allows careful handling without damaging the cane. Proper arrangement preserves freshness during transportation.
Fresh sugarcane is delivered quickly to preserve its natural sugar content.
Automated unloading ensures efficiency while preventing damage to the cane.
Each batch is inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards.
Accurate weighing helps control production and maintain consistency.
High-pressure washing ensures the cane is completely clean before processing.
Rotating systems provide deep cleaning for maximum purity.
Cutting the cane into sections prepares it for efficient juice extraction. Powerful rollers extract the juice from the sugarcane fibers. The extracted juice is collected and transferred for purification.
Filtration ensures the juice is clean and ready for refining into sugar. We heat the juice to begin removing excess water through evaporation.
Impurities are carefully removed to improve purity and clarity. As water evaporates, the juice transforms into concentrated syrup.
Vacuum systems allow evaporation at controlled temperatures.
Controlled conditions allow sugar crystals to form gradually.
We monitor crystal size to ensure uniform sugar quality.
Centrifugal force separates solid sugar from remaining liquid. Washing improves purity and removes remaining residues. Drying ensures the sugar is stable and ready for storage.
Cooling prevents clumping and maintains product quality.
Screening ensures uniform grain size.
Final inspection ensures high-quality standards are met.
Automated systems ensure accurate packaging.
Sealing protects the product during transport.
Bulk packaging prepares products for distribution.
Products are stored safely before shipment.
Efficient loading ensures timely delivery.
Sugar is transported to retailers and consumers.
The final product reaches consumers worldwide.
Processed sugar is used daily in households worldwide.
Sugar is also a key ingredient in large-scale food production.
Molasses, a byproduct, is collected for use in other industries. Molasses is reused efficiently, reducing waste. Remaining fibers are collected for further use.
The gas is converted into energy to power factory operations.
Energy efficiency is carefully monitored using advanced systems.
Water is recycled to maintain environmental sustainability.
Environmental safety is strictly controlled at every stage.
Final testing ensures the sugar meets international standards.
Products are certified before reaching the market. Bulk packaging supports global distribution.
Products are prepared for international transport. Sugar is delivered worldwide through global supply chains. Distribution networks ensure timely delivery everywhere.
Sugar reaches consumers through various retail channels.
High-quality sugar improves everyday life.
From field to final product, every step is carefully controlled. Modern factories ensure efficient and reliable production.
Skilled professionals ensure quality at every stage. If you enjoyed what we do, please like and subscribe to learn with us. Bye. See you in the next video.